Jess, my Refashion sister. I would love to do a collaboration. Let's do an Asian versus American celebrity challenge. I know exactly what celebrity I'm going to do. I know you're going to love it, and I can't wait for you to see it. I'll see you soon. Bye!
Hi everyone, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. And you just saw that I got the invitation from Angelina BlueprintDIY for the collaboration on YouTube. And I'm very excited because it's my first time. So I've been thinking about the outfits I want to do for the challenge. And Lisa from Blackpink just crossed my mind. She's not only talented but also very beautiful, and I really love her style and her personality. So I went on to her Instagram and found this outfit. This white crop top is just the cutest, and it's gonna be my DIY for the challenge. So let's get started.
Here's the main shirt I choose for this DIY. It's better if you choose the big size one, so the sleeve will be bigger enough for your crop top. First step is unsewing two ends of the shirt. After that is removing the front pocket. At the end of the hands, I'm drawing a horizontal line. From there, I go down 35 cm, which is the width from my upper breast to over my belly button. Then cutting by the drawing line. Don't forget to cut the button area as well. After that, I'm making the new hand area for the crop top. From the top of the left side, I go down 10 cm and mark there. I also mark at 8 cm from there to inside, then connecting to mark together. Doing the same for the right side, and we will have the hands for the new crop top after cutting. Next step, I'm finishing the end of the top and the bottom of the crop top by folding them double time. I use the bins to hold my folding, then sewing. After that, I connect two sides of the button area together by the bins and sewing, so it will be the back of the crop top. Now I'm making the position for the elastic bands. From the top, I go down 2 cm and drawing a horizontal line from there. Then from that line, I keep going down 16 cm, which is the width that could cover my breast, and drawing another horizontal line. From that line, I'm drawing another line below it with 4 cm away from each other. Doing the same for the front and the back of the crop top. I'm using the fabric from the back of the main shirt to create the fabric band. I'm cutting 10 fabric bands with 2.5 widths. Remember to check the length of the fabric bands have to be longer than the width of the crop top. After cutting, I keep two single fabric bands aside and connecting two fabric bands together at two sides to have a circle fabric band. After sewing them together, I use the zigzag stitching and overlocking pressure foot to make the fake overlocking seam at two ends of the fabric bands. Now I'm fixing the single fabric band to the top of the crop top at one edge first. I use the bins to hold them together, then sewing. Use the elastic band to measure the position for the second seam before sewing, so that you can make sure the elastic band can go through later. Doing the same for the other side of the crop top as well. Now I'm fixing the circle fabric band to the lower part of the crop top. I use the bins to fix it to the drawing line first, then sewing at one edge of the fabric band. After that, I use the elastic band to measure the position for the second seam, then sewing. Remember to keep a small unsewed space at the middle to put the elastic band to inside later. And doing the same for the rest. After finishing on, I'm now putting the elastic band to inside the fabric band. As usual, I use two safety pins to do it. Before sewing to close two ends of the elastic bands, check the width of the elastic band to make sure it's the width between two breasts. Doing similar to the lower part of the crop top, just need to measure the width of the elastic band around your belly before putting it inside. After on, we will have the main body of the crop top. Moving to the hem of the crop top, I'm making it from the hem of the main shirt. First thing to do is removing the button area, then sewing it together to close the hems. At the end of the hem, I fold it double time to hide the cutting and also to finish the end. It's similar to what I did to the main body before. At the top of the hem, I'm making the new hem area to connect to the main body later. From the end, I go up 8 cm and mark there. I also mark at 10 cm from there to the right, then connecting two marks together. After cutting by the drawing line, we will have the new hem area. I'm using the elastic band to make the buffy for the hems. I measure the width of the fabric I need to fold in first, then using the bins to hold them together before sewing. After that, I put the elastic band inside and sew in two ends to close it. Because the hem of the crop top have the buffy at the end, so I'm using the leftover fabric from the top of the main shirt to make it. I'm cutting two rectangles, with 8.5 cm width and 20 cm length. Then connecting two rectangles together to have a full circle one. Make sure the length of the circle have to be the same with the length of the hands. After that, I'm double folding one edge of the circle fabric to finish the end of the puffy hand. Because the circle fabric is 8.5 cm width, so I measure around 5 cm to inside from the end of the hand. It will be the meeting between the hand and the circle fabric. I use the rings to hold them together, then sewing. After the first seam, I measure the width of the elastic band to draw the line for the second seam, then sewing by the drawing line. Putting the elastic band to inside after that, and we will finish the hand for the crop top. Now I'm connecting the hands and the main body of the crop top at two sides, just connecting them together at the hand area and sewing. Last step is making the small ties over the chest. I'm cutting two rectangles with 3 cm width from the leftover fabric of the men's shirt. Then I'm folding each rectangle in half and sewing. After that, I use the long stick to upside it and iron it to keep it straight. Now I'm fixing the ties into the crop top at the ends. The tie will be around 3 cm higher from the top of the front. And we finished the DIY. Let's check out my final transformation. Doesn't it look like Lisa crop top? I'm super happy with how it turns out. This crop top is just so cute with the puff sleeve, and it's also a little sexy when it's showing your belly. Let me know your thinking in the comments and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Also, subscribe to my channel to check my other DIYs. See you next week!